crunchy pappardelle.
Butchering that name so bad.
Pappardelle. Crunchy no.
Crunchy Pappardelle.
Why it's the crunchy pappardelle.
It's the Crunchy Pappardelle.
If Olive had a voice, remember her voice would be Boston accent.
English.
She'd park the car in the garage.
Pack the can, the grand.
Okay, seriously, we're making crunchy pappardelle. I'm not Italian or whatever this
I
is.
think it's French.
French?
I don't know.
Oh well, anyways, hopefully it turns out good. So, and instead of using broccolini, we're using asparagus because we just had asparagus. And so we're gonna use it. So what, you got the sauce going, the noodles going, the breadcrumbs going.
Yep.
Look at that drawer. Oh, I hate that drawer. Alright, is it done?
It's done.
Done, son. Look at that. Pretty. Alright, now for the
Let us
taste
eat.
test.
Hot.
It's hot?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Alright, well this is meal number 3 of, what are we calling it?
Our cooking adventure.
Our cooking adventure. Tonight we are making sweet potato cakes with our
Look at
brand new
those. Cast iron.
pan.
I'm excited to use it.
So I've basically done everything so far. It's just in the bowl. Now we gotta smash it with our hands. And
Okay.
make little cakes and fry them.
And I get to smash them?
Kaylee gets to smash them.
Okay. Right. The potatoes are soft, like they'll
Yeah,
smash?
they're soft.
Ew. I washed my hands very good, just so everybody knows.
Yeah, right.
I promise. Ew, this feels nasty. Mmm.
It sounds gross.
Sweet potato mash.
Make sure you like get underneath it and everything. Olive. Olive's crying because Larry's outside. She wants to go out there with him.
We skipped a day of making a meal because yesterday we were exhausted. We cleaned the house in Coronado, and then I was in class all evening, and I came home at 5:30, and we laid down to just rest, and we ended up falling asleep and sleeping until
Like
it was like 8
8:30.
o'clock at night,
8:30.
8:30 when we woke up. And it was too late to make dinner, so we didn't cook anything. But yeah, so we ended up skipping a night. We were supposed to make these last night. So, anyways. But it was really nice to take a nap.
Alright, well we will update you on what happens. Now they're in the pan.
They look good.
Frying in butter. Some of these have been pretty healthy, but this one doesn't seem very healthy.
Looking good.
No!
Stray chicken.
Stray chicken.
Alright, so we decided to make this, what is it called? Black pepper tofu, except we're using chicken, not tofu. Because the sweet potatoes were good, but not enough for a meal on their own. But here's the sweet potatoes. Right there. And then this is what the black pepper tofu looks like. There's what ours looks like. Hey, it looks pretty good.
I know.
So yeah, black pepper chicken with sweet potato cakes. And this sauce is really good that you dip it in.